So this is Spring Street and 2nd Avenue. The Grand Princess is there, and there are 3 other ships in port. I think some of them are leaving pretty soon. It's after 4. We don't have to be aboard till 8, but it might be very crowded here. I mean, that's 4 ships in this little town. So, Diamonds International, of course. Glacier Bay Trading Company. This is the White Pass and Yukon Railway Station. Office, ticketing. Train tickets sold here. Train shop. Let's not go in there. Oh, well, let's just go in here. Because they've got a bear. So that's the ticket office. I guess this is the waiting area and gift shop. Alaska liquor store. Oh, boardwalk on both sides. Klondike Gold Rush National Historical Park. Mickey Mouse, Klondike Kid. We drove up to Carcross today. We rented a car through Turo.
What did it buy?
1 ounce ago. 400 lessons.
Yeah.
Old potbelly stove in there. And this is Broadway. And it's like the main road through town. If you look down that way, you see a ship. Skagway Trading, the Loom. There's the Red Onion Saloon. So we're just going to cross this way. People are in the middle of the road. Red Dog Saloon, Red Onion Saloon. Yesterday we were in Juneau, and it's the Red Dog Saloon. But here it's the Red Onion. Popcorn. Richter's. See that Camp Skagway building? Looks like it's made of wood. See the ravens on top? I don't quote the raven anymore. Or should I say nevermore. Fresh local art. It's not frozen. It's fresh. City Transit. Golden North Hotel. Bookstore. Huh. Gold painting, $30 a head. Have you ever been gold panning? I have.
What do I want to go to?
I actually found gold too. I mean, I didn't pay somebody to gold pan. I went out to a river and gold pan. So here's 3rd Avenue, and there's some shops down there. Not much going on this way. We're only going to walk up here a little further because, as you can see, it becomes residential a couple blocks up.
We did a few activities of our own, so we weren't doing nothing.
The heart of Broadway. I guess this could be the heart of Broadway. Bar, restaurant. Of course, it's been boardwalk most of the way, except the driveways, or the alleyways. Mammoth tusks. Carved antlers. Ducks. Duck, duck, duck. No goose. We were over on that side. Now we're over on this side. And you probably noticed Carrie Aloha and Del Sol and stuff like that. Yeah, so there's a lot of that going on. Oh, maybe this is the park that they're talking about. Wild strawberries.
I think this is just somebody's garden.
And they made signs for their stuff. So I don't know of a port where it, well, I do know of a ports where it doesn't have that kind of stuff. So remember to shop local. This looks local. End of season blowout. You know, since it's September, it's close to the end of Alaska season. Miner's Gems. So it's a little bit crowded, right?
Hey.
Hey, Skagway Police. There you wave. Klondike Doughboy, Alaskan fry bread and gifts. Free train charm with any purchase. Here's a museum with a totem. It says museum, but it looks like a store, doesn't it?
All right, thank you.
Doesn't it?
Okay, just no flash.
Skagway with a U instead of a W. Okay.
You're the guy at the gas station. Yeah. Hey. Moving home your bikes.
More local stuff.
That is you all day long.
Local, family-owned business. Made in Alaska, native clay and totem pole.
Monkeys.
Here's this building we looked at from across the street. Notice it's all wood on the outside. but I think the wood is attached to a structure. It may or may not be made of wood. Right? We're coming up on the Red Onion, and there's a line to get in, so obviously we're not going to go in. Brothel tours, 20 minutes for $20. I think they have happy endings. Maybe not. So, I'm going to try to show you inside. Last time we were in Skagway, we went inside, so watch that video. This is the road we originally came up from the ship, 2nd Avenue. Let's walk over to these trains and say goodbye. It looks kind of sad. She just took the flag down off the pole. Well, there's the red caboose. I guess this is number 52. Look at this. I think that's a boring machine. You know, make tunnels.
Look at that, Austin.
Closed. Hey, goodbye for Skagway.